Okay, so how you can make a infographic by using Canva tool. So for example, I select an Instagram post, and if I want to create a infographic, then suppose I click on elements and search for rectangle. I select this one, rotate that. Okay, and hexagon. Mm, if I want to add some text, then click on add heading and drag here in the box, copy that and change the color, suppose green. Okay, add more text, drag here, add another heading, extend it and drag here. Okay, if I want to change color, then click on this, okay, we are done here. Then click on elements and add some icons like pie, add this, add here pie and some cookie, delete this, I like this one, add here little bit more, yeah, it's correct. Come in the elements and yogurt. Okay, perfect. Text. Oh, stupid. Smoked foods. Oh, I think 24 is best. Drag here, add another heading, low yogurt, copy all 24 and extend that. Okay, perfect. White, this one is also white. Again goes to element section and find pair. Okay, this one is best. Minimize it, shrink more. Okay, beer and fish. Nuts. Text. In this one we add beer. Copy that all 24 and in white. Okay, perfect. And here go to text section, fish and nuts, extend that. $24 in white. Okay, yeah, perfect. Remize, yeah, good. Okay, we add some lines between them, between the boxes. So we type line. Okay, which one is perfect? Okay, this one is perfect, I think. Minimize that and yeah, copy. Okay, add more headings. Fair. Copy that all and change in white. Okay, perfect. Then we also click in all elements, search for soda. And cheese. And cheese or think potato. Here it is. Okay, add some more potatoes. Okay, here is a potato. Okay, perfect. Shrink this one a little bit. Oh yeah, good. Again go on text section, add heading and soda. soda. 24, change in white. Perfect. Text, cheese, and to copy that all. 24, white. Good. So again, go to elements and search for coffee. I think this one is good. Shrink this, drag here, and search for milk. This one is good. Shrink more. Okay, drag here. Yeah, perfect. Milk and I think cranberry. Oh, this one is paid. Berry. Drag here, yeah. Click on text, headings, coffee. Go on 24, text, white, add more heading, milk and cranberry. Oh, this one look like messy. Click on 24, white, drag down, and also this one, coffee. Okay, copy this line, Control C, Control V, and drag it here. Yeah, Control V, drag it here. Add headline, calcium, goes to white, drag here, and phosphorus. Click on white. Yeah, this one is a little bit bigger, so this one is more bigger. 31 is best. So 32, 32, 32. Okay, this one looks great. Okay, so our last is chocolate. Okay, drag here and text chocolate goes to 24, text white, drag here. Okay, click in elements and search for pine. Oh, this one is great. Drag down, pine and nuts. Yeah, text. In text, make a medium goes for 31. Oh, sorry, 32. And white. And add more heading. Nuts and pine goes for 24, and also white. Yeah, perfect. Copy one line and drag here. Okay, this one looks great. I think a little bit move here. Yeah. Okay, so here is our infographics ready. If you want to download this one, then click on download. If you want to choose any file type, then select PNG for high quality and JPG for small size. For here, we select PNG and download this one. Okay, so here is our infographics ready.